Hello everyone, welcome to my channel C.S.E-Pathshala. We were studying about Python for machine learning and data science, and in this tutorial we will study about generating a crosstab. In statistics, a crosstab is used to aggregate and jointly display the distribution of two or more variables. So if we declare certain variables in statistics and if we want to join those variables in order to get certain information which has been related to both of them, so we can use crosstab here. Actually, it shows the relationship between these variables. Okay, so let's consider one example and then we will understand how to create a data frame and then how to use a crosstab in order to show the relationship between these variables. Alright, so here it is. This is our code. Import pandas as PD, and then here we are using pandas for creating data frame as PD alias. Okay, then we are creating a data frame like this, df equal to pd.dataframe. Then we are giving here a dictionary in which there are two variables. That means one is the gender, another is the team. Gender here is the list of values and the team here are respectively the list of values. So therefore it's quite clear that we are using two variables here, and with the help of these two variables we are creating a data frame, and then we are printing the value of data frame here. So let's save this code and run this code. So here it is. This is the output, our data frame, and these represents the index values, that means the by default values from 0 to 4, and these are respectively the columns, that means gender and the team. Okay, now here we can see in the data frame that it has been created with the help of a dictionary. This data frame shows that the gender of each person and the team to which it belongs. Okay, that means we can see in the output that here in both the columns the gender is represented with the help of a team value. Okay, for example here male, it represents to team 1. Here also there is a male person that represents to team 2, and so on. Okay, so now we can use a crosstab here that would be able to summarize the data and generate a table to show that what is actually the distribution of the gender with respect to the teams. That means how many gender, that means male or female, belongs to which team, that is 1, 2 or 3. So this task we can perform with the help of a crosstab. So let's consider another code. Alright, here it is. Again we are taking the same data frame, okay, which we did created in the above example. Now the case is we will display the distribution of genders in each team. So this can be done with the help of a crosstab function which has been used as print pd.crosstab df.gender comma df.team. Okay, so with respect to the gender we will represent the distribution in which team does it belongs. Okay, so let's save this code and run this code. So here it is. This is our data frame and this is our distribution of genders in each team. So it's quite clear is that means the gender we are taking them in the row, okay, and the teams we are taking them in the column. So if we are having a female person, let's consider our above data frame. So female, they are in team 3 twice and in team 1, that is for the one time. So same here happened. Here we have mentioned the value 2 for the team 3 and 1 for the team 1, and there is no female in the team 2. It's quite clear from the data frame. Also the male is also in team 1 and a male is also in team 2, but there is no male in team 3, so its value is 0. So this is how we can perform the distribution. Also we can reverse the arguments. Okay, that means now with respect to the team we want to see the distribution for the genders. So yes, we can perform this by reversing the arguments. So let's consider another code. Again, our code is all same. We are creating the same data frame. Only we are changing the distribution. That means we want to display the distribution of teams in each gender. So we did change the argument values. That means we are now performing the cross tab of team towards the gender value. Okay, so previously we did for gender towards the team. Now we will do from team towards the gender. So let's save this code and run this code. So here it is. This is our original data frame, and now we are displaying the distribution of teams in each genders. Here the team will come in the index or in the row values, and the gender will come in the column. So obviously here the result will be as same. That means female is being present in team 1, and for team 3 there are two values for the females. So here it is. Males, they are present in team 1 and team 2. So here are the values for the male, and there is no male which is present in team 3. So this is how we can generate the distribution values. Let's consider one more. Alright. Now apart from taking dictionary values, we can also take separate variables. For example, in this code, import pandas, okay, import numpy, then we are taking three separate variables. That means we are creating some data. That means variable A, it is been having certain values here. That means here we are giving 11 values. Variable B, again I am just taking certain values which are 11 in number. Again in a variable C, I am just taking certain values which are as same 11 in number. Okay, so I have created three numpy arrays in the form of variable A, B and C, and I haven't created any dictionary here. Yes, we can create a dictionary, but that's okay. Now just in this example we are creating variables separately. After that, if we want to perform the cross tab, so this we can do. For example, for this, with the help of pandas dot cross tab A, B, C, there are certain arguments which can be given to the cross tab. That means this will represent the row, this will represent the column values. So here I am representing here A as a row, B and C as a column value, and here I have also mentioned that the row name will be represented as A and the column names will be represented as B and C. So this is how I need to perform the distribution of A with respect to BC. Okay, so what will be the output like? The value of A, that means foo and the bar, will come in the row, and the value of B, that is 1 and 2, and C, that is dull and shiny, will come in the columns. Okay, so with respect to the column values B and C, I will take a distribution of variable A values, and then a table has been created. So let's save this code and run this code. Alright, so here it is. This is the output. Now we have to understand output, how it's coming. A is our row value. That means bar and foo will represent the row. B and C are the columns. So when we are having 1 and dull with respect to foo, we need to check how many times it's been happening. What is the frequency that 1 and dull are coming along with foo? So here it is twice. That means 1 and dull again coming with foo, 1 and dull again coming with foo. So here we did mention it as twice. Now what will happen with 1 and shiny with respect to foo? So 1 and shiny is here. This is one time with respect to foo. Then again we can see further it will come again. That means 1, this is here 1, this is last one is shiny, and it's coming with foo. So there are two values or the two frequencies in which 1 and shiny are coming with foo. So we did mention here 2 in the table. Similarly, we can take for the other cases also, for 2 dull with the foo, 2 shiny with the foo, and 1 dull with the bar, 1 shiny with the bar, and 2 dull with the bar and 2 shiny with the bar, and we can tabulate the values here. So this is what the result, how we can prepare the complete distribution table for the respective values in Pandas using Crosstab. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. We will come up with more informative tutorials on Pandas. Thanks for watching. Kindly do subscribe to my channel.